In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Blue Yonder email in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. This tutorial is here to simplify the process for you, ensuring that you can access your email without any hitches. So grab your device and let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you fancy. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Blue Yonder. Press enter to see the search results. Now, you'll be presented with a list of options and links related to Blue Yonder. What you want to look for is the official Blue Yonder website. Normally, this would be one of the top links displayed on your search results. Click on it, and this will take you straight to their main webpage. On the homepage of Blue Yonder, what you need to do next is find the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to be directed to the login page. Once you've reached the login page, you might see multiple options, so it's important to select the correct one. To log into the email section, click on the highlighted link that corresponds to email login. Follow this path as it will guide you to where you need to input your credentials. Now you're on the email login page. Make sure you have your email address and password handy. Enter your email address in the specified field. Double check to make sure there are no typos. Accuracy here is crucial. After entering your address, move on to the password field and input your password carefully. Again, ensure there are no mistakes as passwords are case sensitive and need to match exactly. After you've entered your login credentials, take a moment to review them. It's always worth ensuring everything is correct before proceeding. Once confident, look for the sign in or login button and click it. If everything is as it should be, you'll be granted access to your Blue Yonder email account. Congratulations! You are now ready to check your inbox, read your messages, and perform any necessary tasks. If by any chance you encounter an issue or have forgotten your password, there is often a Forgot Password option on the login page. This option will guide you through the process of resetting your password, typically by sending a recovery email to the address associated with your account. And there you have it, a straightforward process to log into your Blue Yonder email in 2025. Keep this guide handy for whenever you need it, and enjoy the seamless access to your email services. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.